day in my life vlog. Also, please don't mind all the pimples that I've gotten. I don't know how come I've gotten like such huge and like painful pimples. I think it's because of all the sweets that I've consumed. I think I've been eating a lot of sweets. I went to Lonavala and I had like that chocolate fudge, and I also had jalebi there, so it's because of that I feel. But yeah, it's crazy. I haven't gotten such a big and painful pimple in a while. Moving on, I just worked out, and yeah, I have been weight training. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I think I did. So I have been weight training for a while now. I think today was my 9th day. I missed one of the days. So yeah, it's my second week doing the weight training, and I really don't know why was I not doing weight training all this while, because oh my god, you feel so much stronger and fitter and healthier. I don't know about healthier though, because I think a lot of it depends on your diet, and my diet has been all over the place. I feel like really energetic throughout my day, but yesterday I think I was just so sore. I have been pretty sore lately because oh my god, this is really my first time lifting weights. So yeah, but overall it has been a great experience. This week I haven't been able to be at home at all, so you know, I have to do laundry, I have to organize stuff and a lot of those things. So I really hope you enjoy this vlog, and I'm going to just take you guys along with me. This is just going to be my ghar ka vlog after a really long time. I feel I haven't done these in a while, so yeah, let's just go. First things first, I'm going to go and get a shower because I just colored my hair. I don't know if you can tell. I'll put a couple of clips here, but there will be like a proper reel on my Instagram, so you can watch it if you want to see the transformation and everything. But I'll put a couple of clips here. So yeah, I got my hair color done. I was really waiting for my week to get over so I could just go and wash my hair. Shower, and I obviously had to wash my hair, and I went in and the electricity went off, so you know, I was just sitting there and I had to take a cold shower. I mean, I do want to get into that habit of taking cold showers, but yeah, I really didn't think that today I'll have to do that. I was shivering for a bit, but now I feel like much better. So I wanted to come here and talk to you guys about the products that I have been using in the shower. So I think in my self-care routine I mentioned that I've been using the Matrix OptiCare range, and I enjoyed using that entire range so much that I thought of giving OptiLong a try. So this entire range has 3 products. So this is Professional Nourishing Shampoo, this is Professional Nourishing Conditioner, and then we have Professional Nourishing Leave-In Cream. All the 3 products are enriched with ceramide, and they are basically designed to protect your hair from split ends, and also like leaves your hair feeling all nice, shiny and nourished. So this is the Professional Nourishing Shampoo. The shampoo is really good as it cleanses and also you know, gets rid of greasiness. I work out and my scalp tends to get very greasy, and this is very good. Then we also have the Professional Nourishing Conditioner. It detangles and nourishes your hair. And lastly, we have the Leave-In Cream, which is very good as it resurfaces the hair strands, making it feel really smooth and soft, and it's very easy to use. So what you have to do is just take 2-3 pumps and then just apply it from mid-lengths to ends, and yeah, then you'll have like really nice looking. As you can see, my hair is pretty manageable and tangle free. Like yeah, this is the first time that I haven't even used oil on my hair, and I just like washed it, and see, it looks so good and I can literally run my fingers through it. Price point is also quite affordable, so you'll get 350 ml of shampoo for 535 rupees. Then the conditioner is for 470 rupees, and you'll get 196 gram of product. And then the leave-in cream is for 445 rupees, and you'll get 95 ml of product, so that's really good. If you want to check out any of these products, I'll leave a link in the description bar below. And if you are someone who's trying to you know, grow your hair, or if you are suffering from split ends, definitely check out these products. They're also running like exclusive offers, so make the most out of it. just got done filming a reel. I recreated Kylie's outfits because a lot of you guys say that I should do that, so I finally decided that I'll do it. It's on my Instagram, so go watch it. And every single time I film something, my room is just a mess. Clothes everywhere. The other day when I had gone to like color my hair, Samarth actually made the TV cabinet, and I'll show you guys how it looks. We are actually going to just place it. TV cabinet looks like. I have a ledge there, so don't mind. I do plan on putting the bookshelf right here, and as you know, I can't really do anything about the closet, but yeah, we are still yet to figure out how that would look like, but this is the update. So we also made the bookshelf, so this is what it looks like. I've just put all my books here and couple of things that I had. I still need to like organize it properly, but for now this is what it looks like. I do plan on putting this right there, so let's see how that looks. And I still have a lot of stuff right here which I need to figure out, need to place it and organize and everything, but so far that's an update for you guys. Also I need to like sell and donate those clothes that I have. I actually have a lot of clothes, and just let me know if you guys would prefer like an Instagram page, or would you guys prefer me just talking about it on my story. I think an Instagram page would be better, but just let me know. And yeah, that's an update for you guys. I really like the space, how it looks. I still need to get my TV, but yeah, so far this is. Also guys, look at my outfit. I think it looks really nice. Also, I wanted to film like a lot of reels today, but it's been raining so heavily. I just don't feel like filming. I really like when there's like good lighting and everything. Also, look at my pimple. Oh my god, it's so huge. Anyway, now I'm going to go and make like viral pasta chips. I'm pretty sure you must have seen that on reels if you guys are like very active. I saw so many of them, like people making pasta chips, and now I'm like tempted to make them. It's also raining, so you know, it's the perfect weather to have something like that.
त्याला बॉईल करून परत ड्राय केलं सॉल्ट.
Really? It's time to taste it. I see what you're saying. Not bad. It's nice. I actually did this with black fusilli pasta. Sorry, black bean fusilli pasta. I think I should have done this with like normal pasta, like wheat pasta or something like that, you know. But it's nice. It's not bad. It's nice.
Dip वगैरह ऐसा